I don't know much about relationships. I definitely don't know anything about love. All I want, like in the world, is to just keep talking to you. I want to know how your day was. If you'd just be willing to continue having this conversation with me, then we can figure the rest out.
Those hardest to love need it most. I watched our bodies turn to gold.
Never met anyone like you before.
Such good friends, it has to end. It always does. That's the way life
You know, it's such a beautiful thing. It's
Do we
such
take that
treasure that I have to
risk?
guard until I find the
anticipation
right
before the kiss
person.
mirrored in my
Right
shaky
person.
lips. Oh God, I feel so unprepared. The two of us so out of place. My feelings written on my face. Got what I want, but